Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an SSD enclosure, which makes it absolutely perfect for accessing those old drives, maybe from past laptops, or maybe you want to pick up a new drive that has more memory so you can store files on it and carry it around with you, or access some gaming systems and all that kind of stuff. So this was sent over by a company called xiaobi. It's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're going to get a user manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get this nice little short cable. This is how you're going to connect it to your laptop or your device. You're going to have a USB Type-C port that's going to go onto the enclosure. And then on the other side, you're going to have a little adapter. You got a USB-A, or pull that off, and then you got a USB-C. So this is going to allow you to transfer your files to and from the device, or work off it if you want. And it's going to have pretty fast transfer speed. It's going to support the types of drives, the NVMe drives or the M.2 SATA SSD drive. So depending on which drive you have, it's going to be able to support both of those, and that's also going to depend on the transferring speed. So if you have the NVMe, it's going to go to up to 10 megabits per second. If you have the more older, the M.2 SATA drives, it's going to be able to do up to 6 megabits per second as far as transfer speeds. Either way, pretty fast and pretty streamless transferring speeds when utilizing this connected to your computer. And as you can see, the drive here is really, really small, so it makes it nice. You can throw it in your pocket, you can throw it in a bag, easy to bring with you when you're going around. Give you an idea of the size, it's about 4¼ inches long. It's about 1¼ inches kind of wide, and then only 3/4 inches in thickness. Now, as far as the enclosure, it's all made out of a nice aluminum, which acts as an excellent heat sink source, being able to remove that heat away from the device. It also has a little circle built into the top. That is a built-in fan. Once again, that is going to also be able to pull off the heat and making sure everything is running nice and optimal. And then finally, on top of the chip, you're going to be able to put a thermal silicone strip, and that's going to help absorb also the heat. So it has 3 ways to battle any extra heat, which is good, allowing for those faster transfer speeds. Now, as I mentioned, you're going to be able to use those the NVMe or the M.2 SATA chips. Your typical sizes out there are going to be your 2230, your 2242, your 2260, and what I have here in it is the 2280. It's going to be able to work for those. Obviously, if you have the smaller size chip, it's going to come with the little rubber stops that allow you to basically secure it. Easy to put in and take out if you want to swap things out. It just simply, no tools required, just pull on the back side and it pops right on open, and then you can easily access the chip. There's no like anything screwed in or anything like that. Simply just go ahead and pull back on the little metal part on the back, and you can slide it out and slide in the new one, and then close the latch itself, and you're good to go. Now, as far as the key slot, it's going to fit essentially the M or the M+B slots, which are your main slots out there. The older ones out there, it won't work on, but the newer ones it does. So easy access as far as installing, no tools, and it does great heat absorption. Also, it's plug and play, so you don't need any extra drivers or need to install software or anything like that. You just plug this in and you can access your files just like it was a thumb drive. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great enclosure drive for your SSD card, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.